Hey Plant Pals, Mike the Gardener, and this is a December 1st indoor harvest. I'm not going to walk you through everything like I usually do because you've seen everything and I don't think that's interesting to people. If it is, let me know. But I'm just going to grab some of the things that are ready to harvest now inside December 1st. You can see the basil is already touching the light again. I harvested it like 2 days ago. It needs to be harvested. These tomatoes are ripe. What I do is I pluck them off the vine when they get good and blushed, because this is a determinate variety of tomato, and pretty much once it does its job, it dies. And in order to keep it going, as soon as I see a tomato that's like this, with the strong yellow, I will pluck it, and I'll just set it over here on the deck, and you can see the color difference. So once it goes from yellow to orange, it's ready to go. And this one's already orange, so I should have plucked this one a day earlier, but I was kind of saving it. Oops, took the little stem piece off. But yeah, so you can see the color variation. So these three are good to go. That one needs to be a little bit more ripe, and of course I need to harvest the basil. All right, I will be back. All right, once again I've got a couple of nice Fresnos. This one is the ripest, so I'm going to grab that, and I will be right back. As you can see, being chaotic, this happened just overnight. How wilty and limp these were, because my water gauge on the sides had like an air bubble in it, so I thought there was more water in this tub. I should have been checking. All I do is lift the lid up and look, but I didn't. So these are looking sad, but I added a bunch of water, and I'm hoping that it'll bounce back because it's been producing a lot of delicious green jalapenos for me. My basil's still looking great. I'll let that get taller. He likes to grow tall. I won't harvest any of that today. But yeah, my tomato plant's looking good. It's really bushy. Might have cut it back. So it'll tell it to start producing tomatoes and not leaves. But all right, be right back. Here is all my orange spice jalapenos. There's about 5 of them that are ready to be harvested now. The rest are on their way. So I'm going to grab some of those, and I will be back. I got a few pieces of parsley and some sage from my herb tub down here. I could take a few leaves of the oregano if I wanted to, but I'm just going to let those grow up. I got some mint from my other garden and some more parsley from my another garden. So I've got herbs growing everywhere. Got some of those. I'll be right back. Right here is the orange spice jalapeno in my office. This one's not ready, but this one is ready. And then I've got lemon spice peppers that are going to be coming into their own soon. So I'm going to harvest this one, leave this one, and I'll be right back. All right, this is my indoor harvest from December 1st. I've got orange spice jalapenos, I've got some tomatoes, I've got herbs and parsley and basil, and I got jalapenos, nice size jalapenos. This one could be a little bit darker, but that's cool. Still good to go. That's nice. Oh, look at this little guy. This little weirdo was like a mutant with his mutant twin. Now, see, they would never sell you this at the grocery store because it's not beautiful. So I can get the camera to really focus in on it. Focus. Focus. Nope, does not want to focus on that. Wants to focus on the background. But yeah, this little weird fellow looks like he's sticking his tongue out. That's pretty funny. Yeah, it looks like the pepper's like stick his tongue out. But yeah, you would never get that at the store. But I like it. I think it's funny. And of course it's gonna taste delicious. There's nothing wrong with it. That's really cool. All right. Hope that was interesting. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Have an awesome day. Pepper.